What are the 5 skills everyone needs in the age of AI? After every keynote I give, people ask me, what does it mean for humans? How do we compete with intelligent machines in the future? And as a dad of 3 teenage children, I've been thinking about this a lot, and I've actually written an entire book on the future skills we will need. This first skill is to understand what AI can do and how it is going to transform our world. So we need to be digitally literate and understand what's happening in this space. AI is the most powerful technology humans have ever developed, and it's intersecting with other technologies like augmented reality and quantum computing. The second skill is making effective use of AI. That means writing useful prompts, for example, to use generative AI. So it's basically our ability as humans to delegate effectively to these AIs and get the best out of those, so we can then bring the best of us, which brings me to the remaining 3 capabilities and skills, which are really human-centric, the things that make us different from machines. The third one is about interpersonal skills, the things that help us to connect with other human beings, our emotional intelligence, empathy, understanding and communicating effectively, good leadership that helps us to make connections with real human beings. This is something that will set us apart. Think about a doctor, for example. A doctor might use AI to help them diagnose problems, but then you want to speak to a doctor as a patient. You want to have the empathy, the connection to a real human being. And the same is true in our organizations. We need these interpersonal skills in order to lead effectively. So managers need this. My 4th skill is critical thinking. We now live in a world where we need to be able to evaluate the outcomes of AI. So if we use AI to generate reports, help us analyze data, we need to critically assess them. In the future, 90% of everything we see on social media could be AI generated. So we need to have this critical thinking ability to understand how likely is this to be true. The last of my 5 skills is curiosity, adaptability, and our ability to embrace change. In the past, we had a world where you learned pretty much everything you needed to know at the beginning of your career, and then you could use it for the rest of your life. What we will now enter is this world of hyper innovation, where we have quantum computing accelerating AI, where AI is able to create completely new digital worlds, enabling virtual reality, and so on. So in this world, it means that our jobs will change, our businesses will change, and we need to be able to thrive in this ever-changing world. And it's very likely that it will mean you will have various different jobs. Your jobs will change, and we need to build those skills on a continuous basis. So to succeed, you need to understand AI and what it can do. You need to be able to leverage AI effectively, but then at the same time, you need to focus on your really human skills. And if you do this, you will maximize your ability to thrive in this new era of AI. The 5 skills everyone needs in the age of AI.